Welcome to the Sakai Collaborative Learning Environment. In this screencast, we will log into the system, explore the user interface, identify the most commonly used tools, and review best practices for navigating the site. This is the Sakai portal page. It will be customized to include your institution's logo and color scheme. Your organization may utilize a single sign-on, which enables the same account credentials to be used across many different systems, including Sakai. If you are unable to log into Sakai, contact your institution's help desk. When you log into Sakai for the first time, a brief tutorial is displayed as an orientation to the major features and layout of the software. You may skip the tutorial by clicking the red X. To rerun it at any time, click the user icon and click Tutorial. The layout of controls and information is consistent throughout the entire Sakai experience. A list of sites available to you is found at the top of the window in the navigation menu. Note that the currently selected site, My Workspace, is highlighted. The features and function of each site are available in Sakai's Tool menu found on the left side of the window. And finally, the content of the selected site is displayed in the central Content area. When you log into Sakai, you will always start in My Workspace. My Workspace is a private site that contains personalized content. This content is accessible only to yourself and others with whom you explicitly share it. The message of the day contains news and information from your institution. Faculty and students should monitor this area for important updates about the system. My Workspace also contains synoptic tools that consolidate critical information from all your Sakai course and project sites. Note that My Workspace is one of several sites available in the navigation menu. Clicking a tab selects and displays that course or project site. Note that the Tools menu and Content area are different for each site. If you have more than a few sites, you'll see the More Sites button. Click More Sites to see a complete listing. Course sites are organized by academic term, while project and portfolio sites appear in separate categories. If you have a large number of sites, you may want to change which are displayed by default on the navigation menu and which are available in More Sites. Click the Preferences button. From this screen, you can customize the number of shortcut tabs displayed in the navigation menu and change the order in which they are displayed. To hide a site from the navigation menu, select it and click the right arrow button to move it to the Hidden Sites list. This is helpful in hiding courses from previous academic terms. Click the left arrow button to return it to the Active Sites list. Click the Update Preferences button. Sakai will reload with your updated navigation menu. Hidden sites are no longer available from the navigation bar, but they are not deleted and can be restored to the Active Sites tab at any time from the Preferences tool. Note that the My Workspace preferences includes tabs for additional settings. You can choose how to be notified when new and updated content is posted to sites, set your local time zone, and select the language for Sakai's controls and system messages. Note that the Tool menu on the left side of the screen reflects that we are viewing the Preferences tool for My Workspace. At the moment, the Tool menu is collapsed. Click the arrow to toggle the tool menu's visibility between maximized and minimized. The list of tools is specific to the selected site. Moving to a different site displays only the tools installed by that site's owner. Hovering over a tool in the menu displays a brief description of that tool's function. You may also jump directly to a tool on another site. Click the arrow next to a site's name in the navigation menu to reveal a jump list with shortcuts to that site's tools. Remember these important points when navigating Sakai. Note the blue Help icon located on tools and pages throughout the site. Clicking the Help icon from a specific tool displays a context-sensitive help relevant to that specific function. General documentation is also available by clicking the Help button located in the Tool menu on most sites. Every tool includes a reset button that will return the tool to its main screen. This is helpful if you're unsure where you are located within a tool. Note that clicking the Reset button will cause any unsaved changes in the tool to be lost. As you move between tools and even across sites, you'll find that Sakai remembers your previous location when you return to that tool or site. If we visit the Syllabus tool of a course site, then return to my Workspace to find some more information, Sakai remembers our location when we return to the course site. Keep in mind, however, that information already entered in fields will not be retained as you navigate. Sakai only remembers your location. Because Sakai keeps track of your location in various sites and tools, it's important that you not use your browser's back or forward buttons to navigate. Always use the buttons and navigation from within Sakai. Sakai should also be used with only one browser window open at a time to prevent data from being mistakenly overridden when changes are made in one window but not in another. Finally, you can see how your course and project sites appear to others using the View Site As menu at the top of the screen. For example, this course site contains tools and other information visible only to instructors. When the student role is selected, that content is properly hidden. Be sure to exit Student View when you're ready to make other changes to your site. Thank you for viewing this screencast. We encourage you to explore other screencasts and documentation available from this site as you continue exploring the Sakai Collaborative Learning Environment.